Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome to our channel FASTCABLING. So are you embarking on a journey to establish a new network infrastructure in uncharted territory? And opting for speed and reliability of fiber optics is a visionary move. However, the key to seamlessly integrating fiber optics with your existing network lies in the essential role of media converters. So today in this video, we are going to discover why choosing the right media converter is important for bridging the gap between your network aspiration and the transformative power of fiber optics, ensuring a smooth and essential transition to the future of connectivity. And also, you can visit our website for more tech insights and solutions. Just click through the link down in the description box below and explore the possibilities now. So fiber optic cables use light signal to carry data. And these cables are made of thin string of glass where information is encoded in the form of light pulses. And the core of a fiber optic cable is designed to facilitate total internal reflection. That means the light signal will bounce off the inner wall of the core, ensuring that they remain within the cable and minimizing signal loss. Fiber optic cables can transmit data over a much longer distances without signal degradation compared to copper cables, and they're not susceptible to EMI, leading to extremely low latency. This is particularly advantageous for long-distance communication, connecting remote locations and establishing global networks. However, one thing you may notice, not all of the devices can plug in fiber optic cable directly. That's why we need the media converter. So fiber media converter play a crucial role in connecting fiber optic cables to devices that are not equipped with fiber optic interfaces, such as the router that I show you or some switches. And one key reason for using fiber media converter is the incompatibility between the physical characteristic of fiber optic cables and traditional copper-based network equipment. So fiber optic cables uses connector like LC, SC, and ST, which are different from the RJ45 connection and commonly found in the Ethernet cables. And network equipment typically has RJ45 port. So a direct connection with fiber optic is physically impossible without a compatible interface. And fiber optic cables are using light signal for data transmission, while copper cable use electrical signal. And the construction and material of these cables are fundamentally different, so they're requiring different types of ports and interfaces. And not only the fiber media converter, there's one little thing, this is called the SFP transceiver. We'll also need this little module here because it uses light modulation technique to encode data onto laser or LED light sources. And the frequency of the light pulses is modulated to represent the digital information that being transmitted. And we are going to plug it into the media converter onto the SFP port. And this is where we connect with the fiber optic cables. So now we are going to check out a simple fiber optic connection. Remember, the router cannot plug in the fiber optic cable directly. That's why we use an Ethernet cable connected to an indoor media converter. It is connected through one side and the other side, which is plugged in to the SFP transceiver and the fiber optic cable already. This one we're using is a 4-string fiber optic cable, and it's pre-mated, so we don't need to worry about the connector. It's 300 meters and coming all the way to our outdoor fiber media converter. You plug it into the SFP port, and over this side we have the Ethernet port that you can connect to other devices, and it is already powered up by a power adapter. So this is what a fiber optic network will be looking like. And selecting the appropriate fiber media converter is crucial for ensuring optimal performance and compatibility within your infrastructure. So you need to consider the cable type, speed, and environmental factors. Firstly, understanding your network's specific need, consider factors such as the data transfer requirement and the distance between the devices and the environmental condition in which the equipment will operate. Ensure compatibility with your existing network infrastructure and assess the cost implication of different models, keeping in mind the long-term benefits and saving associated with investing in a reliable and suitable fiber media converter. And there are diverse range of fiber media converter available, catering to various applications. So choose a converter that supports the required data rates for your application, ensuring seamless and high-speed data transmission. There are single-mode and multi-mode converter to address different cable types and the network transmission distance. But we do recommend the single mode, since it can provide the flexibility in future expansion, longer distance, and higher bandwidth applications such as 10G Ethernet. And the data rate is based on the equipment that you use, not the fiber optic cable. Keep that in mind. So based on your network speed requirement, choose between 1G and 10G converters to ensure compatibility with your devices. So 1G media converter is suitable for network where gigabit speed are sufficient, such as many enterprise network, small to medium-sized businesses, and some data center application. While 10G media converter is ideal for environment with higher bandwidth demand, including data centers and high-performance computing and application requiring faster data transfer rates. And take into account the environmental conditions. Outdoor media converters are designed to withstand elements, making them suitable for harsh weather conditions. Also, evaluate your power option, including the Power over Ethernet capability to simplify installation and enhance flexibility. PoE-enabled converter can simplify the power distribution and are ideal for devices like IP cameras and access point. If you're not using a PoE converter, not only you need the 12-volt power adapter for the media converter, but also consider about the power source at the device end. So choosing the right media converter is a pivotal decision for ensuring seamless connectivity in your network. The right choice can enhance performance and future-proof your infrastructure. And also, to explore a wide range of cutting-edge media converter and find the perfect fit for your network needs, you can also visit our website through the link down in the description box below and unlock the potential of your network with an advanced solution that bridges the gap between different technology and propel your connectivity to the new heights. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining us, and I'll see you in the next video.